Corruption has been described as a rot which has eaten deep into the society, and the fight must be institutionalized and attitudinal. The National Security Advisor to the President, Malam Nuhu Ribadu, made this known during the 90th Oba Dr. Shikiru Kayode Adetono Annual Professorial Lecture. Mercy Ezechi reports that the event was held at Ogbagba Hall, Olabisi Onabanjo University, Agoiwe, and now reports.
Organized by the Olabisi Onabanjo University, the ninth professorial lecture was to mark the 91st birthday of the Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Adetono. Speaking more on the topic corruption and national security, impacts and consequences, Malam Nuhu Ribadu noted that corruption breeds insecurity and this must be dealt with as a matter of urgency. Malam Ribadu added that the federal government, under the leadership of President Bola Tinubu, is leaving no stone unturned to build a country that will protect lives and property, especially for the future generations. Represented by the Commissioner of Education, Professor Abayomi Arebabo, the Ogun State Governor Dapo Abiodun praised Awujale for his constant support, especially in the educational sector. Governor Abiodun congratulated the monarch on his 91st birthday and wished him more years on the throne. The Pro-Chancellor of the institution, Professor Ashiru Oluwatoyin, in his speech described Oba Adetono as a living legend, giving his impact on the institution. He appreciated his commitment to good governance, education, and community development. He added that the paramount ruler chose to mark each birthday with deep national reflection, hence reason for the choice of topic for this year's professorial lecture.
Kabisi's impact on Olabisi Onabanjo University is monumental. He is, without exaggeration, our most generous individual benefactor.
Buttressing his point, the Vice-Chancellor Professor Ayodeji Abola commended Oba Adetono for his various achievements and for making education one of his priorities. He wished him his sound health and more years as he continues his reign.
He first served this country at the age of 26 as a minister and cabinet of the Western State region. Baba, I've seen it all. And if we get to Ijebu, it's a reflection of how the country should be run.
While giving the vote of thanks, Daramola Adetono, who represented the Awujale, acknowledged and appreciated everyone present, promising her father's commitment and support to the university.
Thank you to the entirety of Olabisi Onabanjo University, the Pro-Chancellor, Professor Toyin Ashiru, the VC, Professor Abola, and all the governing bodies and students.
The professorial lecture is an annual event to honor the Awujale and paramount ruler of Ijebu land, Oba Sikiru Adetono, for his commitment to education in the state. From Agoiwe, Mercy Ezechi, NTA News.